Are you interested in pioneering research that helps shape the future of behavior and systemic change? I'm Rob Raven. I'm a professor of sustainability transitions at Monash University. We need systemic changes to address the most pressing problems of our times because making small changes to our existing products, services and behaviors is no longer enough. We need to change our systems, for instance, for housing and mobility and food, in such a way that it becomes really easy for most people and organizations to make the right decisions. A good example of where systemic change is critical is how we live and move around in our cities. Most of us are dependent on our cars to move around. However, that creates all sorts of problems, such as carbon emissions, health-related issues, and economic losses. A few years ago, I was leading a project on cycling innovation in the Netherlands. And this was at a time when many cities were facing a rapid expansion of free-floating bicycle schemes. And a lot of cities went on to ban these schemes because they caused a lot of problems. Instead, we worked with the city of Utrecht to implement a living lab approach to help them understand how they could best regulate these systems based on user feedback. To deliver impactful systems change, you will need to be comfortable with uncertainty and complexity. And to deliver impactful systems change, you will also need to be able to think and act holistically and see the system as a whole. And finally, you will need to be able to have really good personal and relational skills because you will have to work with people and organizations from very different kinds of backgrounds. I believe system change experts will have a bright future. As a system change maker, you can work in the public or the private sector, but you can also work in the community and help drive systems change from the bottom up. Or you can work in the research sector and develop the evidence base for achieving systems change. As a student in the program on behavior and systemic change, you will be equipped with all the skills you need to engage in making the future. I'm looking forward to engaging with you in the program and see your growth into a systems change maker.